In this video, I will show you how you can check the warranty of your Samsung Galaxy A37 or the A57. Now to do that, first of all, just open the web browser app on your phone. Then in the search bar, just search this. From here, just open the Samsung website. Now on this page, you will find this chat bubble. Now just tap on this chat bubble. Now from here, just scroll down a bit and tap on promotion and discount. Now from here, just fill this form. In the first name section, just enter your first name. And in the last name section, just enter your last name. Then in the email address section, just enter your email address. Now after that, just enter your phone number. Now just select I have read and agree to the privacy policy and tap on submit. And from here, just select speak with expert. Now just wait for a couple of seconds for them to connect you with an expert. Now as you can see, they have replied. Now in the text box, just type this. I want to check the warranty of my Samsung phone. Then tap on send. And after that, just go to your home screen and open settings. Now under settings, just scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on about phone. From here, just tap and hold on the IMEI number and copy the IMEI number. Now just go back to the website and paste the copied IMEI number over here. Now just type this. Now just wait for a couple of seconds to a few minutes for them to check the warranty details of your phone. Now as you can see, they have replied, and the warranty end date of your phone is the 21st of July 2027. Now if you want to know the warranty start date, just type this. I want to check the warranty start date. And as you can see, they have replied, and the warranty start date of your phone is the 21st of July 2026. And the warranty end date, as I have said earlier, is the 21st of July 2027. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.